morning everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about how to get access to PARAM shivay account, the HPC supercomputing facility provided by IIT BHU. If you are a BHU student, PhD scholar here, or a faculty member, this is very easy for you. So what you have to do is go to Google, right? Search IIT BHU, and the first result that shows up, click on it. Then go to central facilities. Go to central facilities, go to supercomputing center option, and here you are on their website. So click on PARAM shivay account request form, and here it is. You have to fill in your first name, your last name, your organization name, which means your department or your faculty name, organization address. Like if you work in IMS BHU, write that down, IMS BHU. If you work in IIT, write that down. Your gender, department designation. For example, if you're a master student or your PhD scholar, write that down. If you're a faculty member, write that down. And the roll number, course, academic year. This is all for students, not for faculty members. Your official email address. So yes, even if you are a student, you'll need your own official email ID provided by BHU to fill this form. So go to CDC. If you don't have an email ID, official email ID, go to CDC, fill in the form they give, and they'll give you an email ID which ends with @bhu.ac.in. So you'll need that. Then there is a mobile number. Then you have to write down your project details. If you're working on a project, write that down. If you're not working on a project but a personal work which requires high space and high RAM, memory, etc. So don't nature of the product, brief description of the project, what you're going to use it for and how you're going to use it, write those details down. Then propose work on PARAM shivay, requirement of resources. So what you'll need, how much space will you require, and what exactly will you need, and what are you trying to do, write some details down. Here are the facility usage policies, read them very well and carefully. Okay, after which you'll need your signature here, followed by the signature and seal of HOD of your department. And once that's done, here's the last page of it, where you'll need to write down your domains and subdomains. For example, we're using computational biology and bioinformatics, so that were our domains, followed by subdomains. So subdomain was genomics, epigenomics, so we wrote that down. Find your own subdomain, what will be in that. Then there is application name, so we were going to use the BioPython. We're going to use R Studio, right? Apart from that, we are also going to use BVMM and Bismarck, etc. So we wrote that down. Write down what you'll need in applications, and even if they are not listed in this space, right? And that is that. You have to then scan this signed and printed copy. After filling all of this, you'll need it scanned, right? After which you come back to this website and click on the process flow of the account creation. So you'll see this chart. Okay, so what you have to do is, after filling it, you have to send an email to IIT BHU. So right here, this is shivay support@iitbhu.ac.in. This is where you have to mail the scanned copy. Write an email telling them that you want access to HPC, and attach the scanned copy of this signed and sealed form along with that mail. So after you have written the mail to shivay support@iitbhu.ac.in, in 1 to 2 days they'll reply to you back, right? So they'll send something like this to you. Okay, so this is how to log in. They'll send you your own username and password. So here's SSH username so instead of username, you'll have to write your own username at this. And then for outside internet or personal internet, and if you are within IIT BHU campus, you can use the latter one.